Hey everybody, welcome to vlog number 3 here in the shop again at Classic Drive TV. Not everything we work on is a classic. Sometimes we gotta help out, work on friends' cars or whatever. But mostly what we do are classic cars. But today, working on the Subaru behind me. Needs some new exhaust, so we're gonna get that done. And a couple other things going on. Of course, we're heading to Amelia Island in Florida pretty soon. Going to be going down to the automotive concourse, so a lot of fun down there. But right now, we're going to get on the Subaru. Let's do this. All right, so we're under here, and this thing's got a lot of miles on it, but still a good car. It belongs to a friend, so I'll take care of it for a friend. But someone hacked this all up pretty bad, which screws this up a little bit. But we got a piece. We're going to make this fit. Let's do a little welding and grinding, a little hammering, and it'll be like new. Trust me. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, we'll take a look at this. You can see like this was fabric together here. Somebody did this here and over here. They welded this all together, and that's because this isn't even the right muffler for this car. You can see this one is kind of narrow and whatnot. If we come over here and we take a look at the factory muffler, well, that's the right factory muffler there. You can see if I get in close on it, it's oval, it's way bigger. Here, I'm gonna bring it over next to this one. So this is whatever muffler they put on it last time. And hold on, I'm trying to do this one hand. Everything's falling down. Get up here. You can see there's a definite difference between the two. This one's bigger from the factory by a mile. It fits, it's got all the factory mounts, so everything's normal. But whoever did this last time, I don't know, went to the parts store, bought a bunch of junk, stitched it together real quick, and that's part of the reason why it's falling apart. So I'm gonna try to fix this connection up here. We're gonna make something happen. I get some parts here, so here I go. All right, so a little hacking, a little cutting here. I was able to come up with a piece that will fit on the cat here. We're gonna weld this to the new piece. Got a clamp right here. We're gonna put it in, slide everything in, put the clamp on. Gaskets in the back, and get this exhaust wrapped up. Got to weld this up, so that's got to happen. A little grinding, a little welding, and then when we're done with that, we'll change the oil in this thing before it goes out the door. So let's get this wrapped up. All right, I don't know if you can see under here, but we got the pipe on, and this is supposed to be a flange right here off of this. This was rusted. Somebody else cut it all off. I don't have this cat. We're not going to replace that. It's actually looks bad, but it's in pretty good shape. But this is now under here. We're gonna clamp. We're gonna put on there to cinch this together. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a couple of tacks here and tacks here. I got some bolts back there. Everything's pretty much in here solid, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna tack this. Then we'll take it down and we'll weld all the way around it and get it right. So it's gonna, when we're done, it's not gonna be factory, but it's gonna be nice and tight, and should work well probably for the life of this car anyways. It's getting close to the end of its life. All right, let's do it. All right, well, we got the filter off, we got the oil change, drained, refilled. We're just gonna top it up a little bit and see where we go from there. All right, so trying to do this one-handed here. There's our funnel. And we're just gonna give it just a little more of a drink. It was just a little bit below the line, so that should do it right there. We'll check it again now before we move. Oops, sorry. So we're gonna get this out of here, and then I don't know what else is going on. I got a friend coming over. A few other things going on. I'm not sure though, so I'll check back with you in a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to the blog. And so like today we are planning and getting ready to pack up all of our stuff because we're going to be leaving. We're heading down to Amelia Island in Florida. So check us out if you're going to be at the Amelia Island Concourse next week. We'll be there Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then we're going south for another event. But if you're around the concourse down there in Amelia, stop by and check up with us. The Classic Drive crew will be all over the place down there covering all kinds of events, so say hello. Today, my plan is to get a whole bunch of equipment ready. Just bought this new little wagon, this thing here. So it's kind of cool, but it'll certainly help us as we're moving along. We can put a bunch of equipment in there that we want to haul with us. Maybe not stuff we use all the time, but we'll need batteries and all the stuff. So this will be kind of cool. It should roll pretty good on the grass. So yeah, and it folds up, so we'll be able to throw it in the back of the Suburban. I'm driving down along with a couple of other people. The rest of the crew's flying down. They're going to meet us there. So yeah, that'll be a lot of fun. Some great cars. There's going to be a Tucker, of course, the Tucker 1044, Rob Ida, and Preston Tucker's grandson, of course, has now kind of taken a hold of the Tucker company again. Tucker Motors LLC, I believe it's called, something like that. Preston Tucker Incorporated. I'm not sure what they call it, but I'll have to look that up. I should know that. I don't. But so they're going to be there. Our friend Nick Gruhl is going to be there with his Lorraine Dietrich race car. That's from, I think, 1924. The Audrain Auto Museum is going to be there. We're friends with those guys, so they're bringing a Mercedes and several other people that we know that are going to be on the concourse. I'm also looking forward to the Cars and Coffee Day on Saturday because people bring cars from all over the place. So there's Lambos, there's Ferraris, there's vintage race cars. There's just some really, really cool stuff. So we'll be covering that, and we'll be vlogging on the way down and all that. So you get to see the trip. So right now, I'm going to get the rest of this gear together, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Hey guys, we're back in the shop here, and as we get ready to go to Amelia Island, there's still stuff going on here. We got a lot of projects coming up. But today, Steve is here, and he's working on this. This is a 1966? 1968. Okay, I stand corrected. I knew I was close. So this is a Rover TC 2000. It's a very cool car from 2000 TC. So he's done a ton of work on this already and is getting it back together, and now he's taking it apart again, as usual, as most car restorations go. So I know he's got some work on the brakes.
Yeah, I'm basically stripping the engine bay here because we did a lot of body work previously, but it only kind of got as far as the upper part of the engine bay.
Right.
So I had never done anything with the brake servos, which were over there, or the carburetors, which were here.
So you've already got this thing pretty well disassembled.
Yeah, so now I'm...
Carburetors off, brake boosters out, and what are you doing now?
So now I'm taking off the exhaust header here and got a big crack here. You can just see the dark area from exhaust getting through there. So that's got to come out, and got a new manifold over here.
Oh, great.
To go in.
So you can still get parts for these cars?
Yeah, this was made new by a vendor
Look at that.
in England. So
So there you go, guys. There's a brand new little manifold. This is a 4-cylinder car. Yep. So it's a 4-cylinder model, and they made this in a 6-cylinder too, right?
no, they made the other engine they put in was the Rover V8.
Oh, okay. So either a 4-cylinder or a V8. That's quite a big difference. But great little project, great car. Steve's got some other Rovers that he's working on too. And if you go over, click over, you'll see there's a couple of videos. Steve tells a story about Land Rover that he just finished preserving. So that's on the channel, so you can check that out. I'll put it in after the video, after the vlog. So yeah, lots of projects going on here in the shop. And we're going to be out of here for probably a little more than a week or so down on the island while other people are working on stuff, so I won't get to film that. But yeah, when we come back, we definitely have some great stuff happening, and we'll probably see some more progress here on the Rover with Steve. So, Steve, thank you.